Hey, what's up, everybody? This is going to be a complete tutorial by Abdul Basit Pro Dev on React development. Okay, so you can learn from the very basic and you can learn it to become a pro developer by using the React. आप रिएक्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा अमेजिंग डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हो जस्ट ये प्लेलिस्ट वॉच करने के बाद। सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों को बताता हूँ कि आप रिएक्ट कैसे इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो। इट मीन्स दैट हाउ टू इंस्टॉल द रिएक्ट इन योर पीसी। इट्स वेरी सिंपल। You must have to install the Node.js in your PC first. Node.js can get installed. Just go to the Node.js website, click on the first Node.js, run JavaScript everywhere, and after that you can get the download, and from here you can download it for your Windows, Mac, Linux, AIX, etc. Okay, and as I installed it, so there is after installation you can prove that your installation is done or not. Simple, go to the cmd and like from here you give a command which is node dash dash version, and if it's reflecting some version it means that node.js is installed. This version can may be different, but it is like giving you some version. Okay, and this is wrong command for the npx. You must have to give it node dash dash version. Okay, so after that the node.js is installed. The second thing to be get installed is the VS Code. Okay, so you have must have to download the VS Code if you guys can want it. Okay, hope you guys installed it already in your PCs, and if it is not, just go to the VS Code, the first download Visual Studio Code link, and then download VS Code for your respective domains of operating systems, whether it's Windows, Ubuntu, or Mac. Okay, so after the VS Code is installed, I already done some of the commands for you so that your time don't get wasted in this course. What are these commands? That's very simple. First, you checked your version. Okay, it's installed. Second, you have to give a command which is npx. Okay, I would show you. Npx create react app and then your app name, whether that's hello world or first app, and after that your react app would start. Okay, so after that it is installed, the at the end you would get it like this thing: cd hello world and npm start and happy hacking. Okay, so after that you can start your development with changing directory to the hello world, which is like your first app, then like cd hello world, and after that the hello world. In the hello world you can give the code dash dot command to open it in the VS Code, but I don't want to open it in the VS Code. Yeah, I already opened it in the VS Code. Okay, here it is. Okay, but I would request you that first time open it in the terminal just by pressing the hitting the npm start command here, and your react will start. And like after that, for example, after giving it the npm start command, it will redirect you to your browser, which is like, oh sorry, I opened my another browser it. Okay, and it will open it in the local host. What it's running? Yeah, it's running my app or my website which I built with the react, and it is all the files. Okay, so in the next video or in the next part I would help you understand these, that what the node modules is, what the public is, what is the source, what's the like these things. Okay, so from the next part I would go on the folder structure in the react.